you know you should.
Welcome to this your boy Sleepy Six. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna let you know it's a long time coming. I've been wanting to do this to the car like forever. And first I was thinking maybe I shouldn't do it, but then I was like, you know what? It's about time to do it. So about to go to the shop and get rid of this fake tips right here. And we're gonna put the new ones in. Bing! And these are the new ones right here. They like real big. I ain't never seen a Challenger with these type tips. They must look real nice. And the other one there, I'm not gonna take it out. So I'm see if they can mount it on, because as you know, I got the borla atak and it's staying still, so I hope it holds on there. Well, of course it's gonna hold, but I hope it won't be too hard for the muffler guys to put on. So yep. So we're going to go to a muffler shop and see what it can do. It's gonna look very nice. Let's start this thing with a good cold start. Kick. So, alright, see y'all when I get there. Looking good. Like it's a really high look right there. It don't look that big though. It's pretty big though. They don't look that big. Personally. Now I put it to the car. Oh, it's raining now. You got another good now, folks. You got another good. Yeah, you gotta be different, man. Gotta be different with your car. Got to. That's it right here, see? That factory stuff gone right here. And boom, that new. That must be perfect. You step on the rain, it's raining now. I was gonna wash the car, but it's raining. Look at that mud. Mud's on point now. Different. You ever seen a Challenger with four and a half tips on it? Never have I seen that at all. And then I also got like the Mitch dual tips in there, so quad tips. So, gotta be different. Definitely different. That's how you separate yourself from other challenges and charges. I do something that's off the wall.